Welcome to Car Hub, your destination for car news and deep dives. Today, we're exploring the buzz around a 2025 Chevrolet Nova SS and what's real and what's mostly hype. Chevy fans everywhere have been dreaming of a Nova comeback, a modern muscle coupe with historic SS flavor. But there's no official confirmation yet. Those slick renderings you might have seen online are fan-made or AI-generated, not from GM. Still, the talk around it is exciting. Speculation hints at a 6.2-liter V8 producing anywhere between 500 to 650 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some enthusiasts are even hoping for a manual option, staying true to the Nova's old-school roots. People imagine it with a bold, wide stance, retro-inspired LED lighting, a blacked-out grille, carbon fiber accents, and 20-inch wheels. A real fusion of muscle car heritage and modern design. Inside, it's all about blending tech with toughness. Digital cluster, heads-up display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, high-quality materials, and even track-inspired seating. Modern features wrapped in muscle nostalgia. Speculated pricing lands between $40,000 and $60,000 depending on trim and performance packages. But again, this is all just talk. Right now, GM has not announced a new Nova, and the focus remains on Camaro, Corvette, and electric models like the Blazer EV. So what's the verdict? Is this dream car just an internet fantasy, or is it time for Chevrolet to bring the Nova SS back for real? Let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching Car Hub. Like, subscribe, and stay locked in as we continue chasing the legends, the rumors, and the real stories from the world of cars.